Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogtober 4th, the 4th day of Vlogtober, and she's doing Vlogtober for the whole month of October. Yay! So here is Miss Lena.
All right. I will be reading the scripture from Isaiah 41:4. Okay, who has walked and done it, called in the generation from the beginning? The Lord the first, and with the last, I am He. So thank you for listening to the scripture. Thank you so much. I'm doing a sweet potato pie today. So, all right, I'm getting ready to get started. And I'm going to be using these excuse me. My voice is kind of leaving me today. I've been out quite a bit and I'm down low on it. So I'm going to be using condensed milk, and I will be using lemon juice, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and also my flavor. I'll be vanilla flavor. I have 4 eggs, and I have a whole stick of butter, and I have one half cup of sugar, and one half cup of brown sugar, and I also have, excuse my voice now, and I have and I'm using like one teaspoon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, and that's it. So,
And she has 1 tablespoon of flour.
Okay.
And she used a pound of sweet potatoes.
Okay. So I'm getting ready. They've already been cooked, and I'm getting ready to mash them up. Okay. So I'm getting them all mashed, and after I get them mashed up, I'll be pouring my butter in. So.
And she won't be using salt because she cooked the potatoes in a little salt.
Yeah, so okay. Sometimes we find this time of year the sweet potatoes might still not be sweet enough. So sometimes it may take a little bit more sugar if you like sugar, or whatever kind of sweetening that you're taking, or using rather, whatever kind. And that's the kind that you can use if it's best for you. So I'm using what I have now, because this is I don't know how sweet they're gonna be. I'm not for sure. I have them mashed up now pretty well, and I'm going to be doing it with the whisk for a little bit. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is pour my sugar. I'm going to put the sugar in. Okay.
So she's doing a 1/2 cup of sugar to start, and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar to start.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to be kind of blending it in together. For some reason, I've been out in the air all day, and my voice is kind of going away. I've been in a lot of air conditioning and whatever. So just bear with me. She'll be, if you don't understand, she's trying to repeat it after me so I can get it all together where you all can understand what I'm saying. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to be putting in the butter. I'll be using a whole stick of butter. Okay. With this one I have on. Okay. Now I'm going to stir this up in. And then I'm going to be putting in my eggs. All right. I'm going to put in my eggs, and kind of do a couple of at a time so I can get them going. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in my nutmeg.
And that's a half a teaspoon she's starting with. If she need more, she'll add a nutmeg and half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
And all right.
I'm sorry, half a tablespoon of cinnamon.
Okay. All right, now I'm going to be adding the rest of my eggs. And then I'll add, after I add the rest of my eggs, I'm going to add, I have my, where's, all right. This is my sugar. This is my flour, I'm sorry. All right. I'm going to blend the flour in with the eggs. So this is a tablespoon of flour. And I'll be adding my condensed milk. Okay. I don't know how much I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to start with half of the can. No, this is very rich, so I don't know how much I'm going to put in. I have to, my fingers, it's a little bit of my flavor in, not very much, probably about this is about a teaspoonful. This is a teaspoon. That's a tablespoon, so I'm using half of that. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Now, I'm going to be mixing it up a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to put just about a teaspoon of lemon juice in now. So now you can use the real lemons if you like, but I'm using the juice today. Okay, I'm going to use it'll be about a teaspoon because I'm putting it all in regular full tablespoon. So got about half of it here. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to get the electric mixer and mix it up. Just a second, let me. All right, I took a little taste of it, and I'm having to add a little bit more sugar because the potatoes this year are not really sweet. So I did have some extra type of sugar, doing vanilla sugar. So I'm adding another half cup of vanilla sugar. Now, if you don't have vanilla sugar, just add what you have. But I'm trying this to see how it's going to be in there.
And if you want to buy the vanilla sugar, we got this at Amazon.
Okay. So I'm adding another half cup. I'm adding a half cup of sugar right now. Okay. All right. So now I'll be putting it in. I'm putting the rest of the can of the condensed milk in. This is a very rich pie. Very, very rich. All right, so. All right, I'm getting ready to put it into the pie crust right now. And everything that I had put in this particular pie is what my great-grandmother made. So the only thing that she didn't have was the vanilla sugar. So that's the only difference the only different thing that I put in that she didn't put in. So I'm gonna fill it up.
And the pie crust she already cooked for a little while in the oven.
Okay. All right. I'm thinking that this is gonna be all right. I think that's just put a little. All right, now I'm getting ready to put this in the oven, and I'll be back. It takes about 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees, and this is about a 9-inch pie pan casserole. In other words, it's glass, so you can put it in whatever you want to put it in, but this is about a 9-inch. So I'm going to put it in there. I'll be back shortly. Thank you. Hello, I'm back now, and this is my finishing touches of my sweet potato pie, and it's going to be on. I made it with condensed milk, so I'm gonna take a taste test for you so you can see it. So I'm getting ready to. I'm gonna cut. Okay, it's very hot, so I'm gonna try to go across. I'm just gonna try to cut me a small piece. That's all.
Yo, we tired, so she cutting it before rest, but it's okay.
Of cream on it to see can I cool it off a little bit. So, okay. That looks so delicious, don't it? All right, I'm gonna take a quick bite of it so we can get through with it. Okay. Oh, it's very hot, so. Oh, Lord. It's very good, you guys. But it's very hot right now. And I know if you try this one, I know the holidays is coming up, and I'll be doing various desserts. Please try it. And this is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. This is a sweet potato pie made with condensed milk. And I know you will enjoy it because it is very rich and it's very good. So I'm going to say goodbye now. And stay tuned. I'll be coming up with something else.
Yeah, it's off the change. I hope y'all try this recipe. Been in her family for many years, so I hope y'all get to try it. It's very, very good.
Okay.
Off the chain good.
It's very good. Bye-bye. With all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye. Have a blessed night, day.